In this lesson, we are going to add 3 feature boxes. So what we want to do is you want to go over to where it says add column, and you want to click on the 3, and you want to go to add on and choose feature box. These are boxes that are going to be on 3 different sections of the site. This breaks it up evenly. And with your feature box here, what you want to do is where it says admin label, this is for naming for the admin part, so that you know what's in that particular section or row. So this is what the admins are going to see. It's not visible on the front end. And then where it's an add-on title, you want to put in this here, the span, and close it up. So you can just type this in as you see here, but once again, you can change this anywhere, and you can change this various, but don't change the span and the break. And then you want to set the title color to black, and then where it says icon image, you want to set this to before title. And then scroll down, you have the option of choosing between an icon or an image. You want to choose an image, and then you want to choose the maps. So you click on this choose icon, you get a list of different icons. When you type in maps, it's going to automatically pull that in for you, whatever you type in that's on here. And then the icon color, set that to white, and for the margin top to 0, and then just put in a little short description as you see here, and then set it to center. And then once you're done, you click save, and I just updated the icon size to 30. You can try different sizes and see what it looks like on the front end, and you click save. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click save first, and then I am going to copy what we just did over. So I have this here. To copy, you click this, and then you drag it over, and then you click it again, and you drag it over, and you just have to change a few parameters from this one and change the title. And what I've changed here is the choose icon. I just put a paintbrush, and I'm going to click on save, and then go over here to this one. But if you notice, it's still set anywhere, so you can come back and change it. And this really helps sometimes, because when you start creating a lot of different rows, then it becomes a little bit confusing sometimes. Like, you want to know when you look at a module, like when I'm looking at this now, I know that creative design, that's what I have there. Anywhere, that's what I have there. Let's go over here, and I'm going to change this to business operations. And then this one here, I'm going to choose to unlock, alt. Everything is pretty much the same, and then I want to click on save. So once I finish save, I want to click this save here, because if you click save on there and you just exit off the page, what you did is not going to be saved on your site. You have to click this save here. I know sometimes some people just click save and then just exit, thinking that everything, was saved, but it's not. So once that's done, what we want to do now is we want to go to the row settings. There are a few things that I made changes to. Where it says our advantages, it says title here, you want to put in the text. You can put in our advantages or whatever text you want to put there. And the heading, set that to 2, H2. And for the title color, set that to, just all white. And set the top margin to 20. And for the section subtitle, you can just add some stuff there, but make sure you break it in. And you want to add it so it's 2 lines like you see here. It's going to show real nice on the front end. But make sure you put this little break in here. That's just saying it's going to break between this first line and the second line. There's going to be a break. And then scroll down where it says title and subtitle position, choose center. For the font color, choose all white. For the background size, you want to choose the cover. For the background position, you want to choose center. And for the CSS class, it's empire-feature. And for the patterns here, you put 100 pixels by 0 by 130 pixels by 0. For the margin is 0. Now, one thing that we have to do is we have to add an image, and this is going to be the background image. So let's go ahead and grab that. So I just added this image here. I'm going to click insert. That didn't show up as I wanted to. Once again, just X, select, and then you choose the image again, and There you have it. So let's click on apply and let's click on save. So you want to make sure too, I forgot this earlier, but you always want to make sure that you check this box where it says add container and save it. Always make sure to check that box whenever you're creating, so everything stays within the container. If not, it's going to just look, out of sync.